Hello student, this is Javed, lecture Mathematics International Maritime College. I'm going to record this video lesson for the Foundation Department. Today's video lesson is about laws of exponents, which will be used in multiplication and division as well. The first law tells us that if we multiply two numbers with different bases, look, this is A, this is B, and different exponent, then simply we write them side by side. For example, look, 5, 2, 3, all bases different, all exponent different, then it's just to write them side by side. Then we calculate 5 power 3 means 5 times 5 times, so we write this 3 times and multiply them 3 times, then we get 125, and now 2 4 times, so 2, we can also write point dot for multiplication in algebra to feel easy. So it comes 16, and at the end I don't think it's come 200. Let me check. 125, yes. So here is little mistake, it comes 2000. Another rule, so you can say this is first rule, everything different, base is different, exponent different. Now little similarity you can see in the numbers. The first number and the second number has got a same, base is same. Look at the exponent, they are different. So in this situation, when they are equal, we write 1a and we add the exponent. Let's say an example, 3 4 3 2. So what we do, so here is a little mistake, it is supposed to be 2, so it comes out 3, 4 plus 2 comes 6. Okay, and if we multiply this 3 that means 6 times, so I think we get 3 raised to the power 6 comes 729. It comes 729. Now there would be little problem in my answer because it comes 6, so the correct answer is this. Okay. Another rule is rule 3 of exponent, which where bases are different but you see the exponents are same, then what we do, we write a and b side by side and we can write 1 power on it. Example, look, 3 4 2 4, same exponent, generally people call them power, so exponent. 4 4, so what we do, yes, we multiply, we write 3 and 4 side by side. Another rule, rule 4, I will say, is about division. So different bases and different powers exponents. So we just write this symbol and do this symbol, nothing else. Okay, if you want example, so look 5, 3, 3, 2, both the number are different. This number is different from this number in all terms. Different base, 5 is base, 3 is base different, exponent 3, exponent 2 different. Both numbers are different. So just we write them up and down. If you want to go for further simplifications, you can do. Another rule 5. So now we are moving in division. So division, same basis. So if there are same bases, so what we do with the power, with the exponent, we subtract them in division. And remember, in multiplication, when here it is multiplication, then we 8 power, as you saw on the previous slide. Okay, but here it's division. So in division it will be always subtracted. Okay, now let's take examples. So 7, 7 are same basis. We write 1, 7, and the exponent will be subtracted. 4 minus 2 comes 2, and 7 exponent 2 means 7 times 7. Now, what if the exponent are similar? Exponent same. So we can write one exponent outside, and the bases can be divided. Okay, so the bases can be divided. Examples: 8, 3, 8, 2. So bases are 8, so 8 divided by 2. And we can write one exponent. Now 8 divided by 2 comes 4. So 4 exponent 3 and 64. Okay, we call it power of power rule. I think it is number 7 rule. Look here, exponent A has got exponent A, and then the bracket has got exponent n. So what we do, actually they are multiplied. See, when we write them side by side writing means multiplication. So here this bracket has got exponent 2 and 5 has got exponent 3. So we multiply 3 and 2, it comes 6. So if you want to do it, so 5 6 times we will write multiplication and then we do it. Anyway, this is our answer. For further proceeding, you can give this. Another rule, you see, this may be 8, I think. So we have got a base and it has got exponent this, but you see the exponent has got also one base, which is m, and exponent n. So what we can do, a is exponent and the exponent is split into another number, which is m, n, m. Now m has here exponent, m base and exponent n. So you can say in one number you got two bases and two exponent. First time a is base for exponent m, n, and second time a is base, then m is also base with exponent n. Example, so in this case, look, I'm going to separate this thing is exponent of 7. Now we'll simplify. 3 exponent 2 means 3 3s are 9, and now 7 is written 9 times in multiplication. Actually this is our answer. If we want to proceed further, so it is further thing. In exam I think we will be asked this thing, but be ready, you can also ask this. Now let's do some question from the exercise. This question we got 8, so 8 can be split into factors because 8 divided by 2 to 4 and then 2 2. So you can write is minus 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, and if we write minus with all of them, again the answer comes minus 8. So write this one because we need to cancel, we need to play with the power with the sign as well. Okay, exponent 1 by 3. Now minus 2 3 times, so its exponent is 3. Now because of power rule, 3 multiply 1 by 3, so it will come 1. So answer is minus 2. Another question, 24 divided by 64 exponent 3 by 2. So let's factorize the numerator and denominator of the fraction. So 25 means, look, 25 is divisible by 5, so 5 5s are 25, so we write 2 5s. See, then 64 you can divide this even by 2 if you want. 2 3 2 2 2 1 2 6 2 8 and 2 4 and then 2 2. So how many 2s? I think 8 2s. So for this you can also write that 5 2 divided by, there are how many 2s? 8 2s, so 2 power 8 and 3 by 2. How 8 power 2 comes? So see, if you divide this by 8, so 8 8s are 64. So you can do this one, you can do this one. I think it is also divisible by 4. So 4 1s are 4, 4 6s are 24 and 4 4s are. So you got another option, 4 power 3. So you got 3 options, 8 exponent 2, 2 exponent 8 and now 4 exponent 3. Choice is yours, which one you want to take. All the 3 are correct. Now let's multiply the outside exponent 3 by 2 inside. Okay. So it will come, 3 will be multiplied, 3 by 2 will be multiplied with 2, so this 2 and this 2 will cancel. Let me clean the area. Okay, right. So it comes 5 3 and 2 and 2 8 3. Okay, so further if you want to proceed you can go. But if you want to do this way, we are 2 power 8, so it comes 5 to exponent 3 by 2 the same divided by 2 exponent 8. The outside exponent will be multiplied here into, and it comes the same 5 exponent 3, because this 2 can cancel each other. Now this 8 can be cancelled with this 2, so it will become 4, and 3 4s are 12, so it comes 3 4s are 12. So this is another answer. Okay, so if we go with the third option with 4, the answer will be little different, because that will be in term of 4, this is in base 8. Final answer. Okay, so slide work. Same basis, different exponents, same basis exponent will be added into, it comes 3 by 3, and 3 by 3 means 1, so if you write here 1, no problem, and your final answer will again be 5. Next question has got 2 factors brackets. First of all, we multiply this 3 with all of them with the exponent. It has 3 is exponent 1, a has 4, b has minus 2, so it comes, look, 3 ones are 3, 4 3s are 12, and 3 2s are 6, minus 4 there, so minus 6. Now this is a number, here we don't have number, so 3 power 3 will be written as it is. Oops, I forgot to write 3 power exponent 3. A will be multiplied with a, so multiplication means their exponent will be added, so 12 plus 2. B will be multiplied with b, so it means the exponent will be added, so minus 6 plus minus 1 comes minus 6 minus 1. Like for example, if you want to write minus 6 plus minus 1, so it again comes minus 1, so you can write directly. Oh, now I have to keep correcting them. 3 exponent 3, it comes 14, it comes minus 16. So finally it will come 27 here. Okay, and A14, if you want to write this negative symbol down, generally mathematicians prefer this to write the negative exponent down, but if you write this, no worries. Okay, another example, another question from the exercise. So first of all, let's multiply this 5 into the exponent of a. Here it is 1, so it will also be multiplied here. 3 into this 3, 3 into this 2, and 3 into this 3. So see, I'm doing everything fine, I think. 2 5 5 3 3 9 3 2 6 and 3 3 9. Now we are ready to multiply them, so a will be multiplied with a. B has got nothing common here, so we write them side by side. B and C are different. So see, first off I'm going to multiply the upper portion, then I'm multiplying the lower portion, okay, the bottom. So a is multiplied with a, so 10 plus 9. There was no b here, and So B I wrote side by side. They are different things, B and C. So I'm just writing them side by side. Further simplification, A will become A19. Now you see there be common. So we got rule for division with same basis. So we write 1B, and in division we do subtract. So 5 will be subtracted from 6 and 8 comes 1. Okay, so you don't need to write 1 if you don't feel to. You don't need to write actually. If you write, no. Now, if look at this question, we got x, y, z at basis both in the numerator and the denominator. First of all, we use the rule of power will be multiplied into power, it will be multiplied with -2, it will be multiplied with -3, and the same here, here, and here. Okay, so first of all, I did what? I divided the whole bracket into two brackets. First the numerator bracket and then the denominator bracket. And I write -3 is exponent in both the cases. Now I'm going to multiply -3 everywhere in the exponent, because -3 is also exponent outside the bracket. And you see it's 1, so -3, it's -2, so -2, and to -3 comes 6, and -3 and to -3 comes 9. The same is here, -12, -9, and -6. Now we are ready for division. So division, because it is x and x can divide x, so we will do subtraction. Okay, so subtraction will change this sign into plus. Subtraction will change this sign into plus, and subtraction, this sign is plus, so subtraction will change this into minus. So -3 plus 6, 6 plus 9, and 9 minus 12. So note that you are changing the sign. Now we simplify them, so it comes 3, it comes 15 minus 3. This one is negative exponent, so if you want to bring it down, nobody will object this. It comes this. Another question has got AB and the basis. Let's simplify the numerator first and then the denominator. So let's do them separately, and then at the end we will do division. So let's go for multiplication first. Yes, this is 9 and 8 multiplies 72. A will be multiplied with A, its exponent is 1, here it is 7, so I am writing 7 plus 1. Here its exponent B1 and B5, so in multiplication we do addition. 12 into 3 is 36. A has got 3 exponent, here A has got -3, so no change in term of multiplication. 3 plus -2 is again 3 minus 2. This is B minus 3 and B2, so -3 and 2. Further simplification, 72 divided by 36 comes this. 7 plus 1, 8, and then 6. This one, 3 minus 2 comes 1. If you want to write, you can write, and from these two minus. Now we are ready for division. A can be divided by A, so in term of division, this power is plus, so it will be, after subtraction it will be minus, this power is minus, so after subtraction it will be changed to plus. So in division sign will be changed, in multiplication sign will not be changed. So 2 7, and this is answer. Another question, again AB. So first we multiply the numerators, simplify, and we multiply denominators at the same time. So 15 into 2. First open the bracket, so opening the bracket means this 3 comes multiplied with all the, here it is 1, it is 1, so see 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. We got another bracket here, it is 1 of, it is 2 actually, so I did mistake, this power is 2, and 2 to 4 is okay, 2 to 6 is fine. Okay, so I have to correct this now. It is 3 power 2, 3 power 2 is 9, so 9 into 16, 144 comes actually, 144, I'm sorry for this mistake. Okay, now multiplication, it comes 8 into 5 comes 120, a minus 2 and a3, they will be added because multiplication, no change of sign. 3 and 6, multiplication, no change of sign. A4, A5, multiplication, no change, minus 6, and it is 1 6. Okay, after simplification, now definitely there will be problem. It is 120, and here it is 1 4 4. I will simplify them later. Okay, now it comes A1 because plus 3 and minus 2, and it comes 9, minus 5 and 9. If we multiply, okay, this problem 120, if we simplify it, so if I cancel this by 2, so 2 6 are 12, and 2 7s are, and 2 2s are, okay. A divided by A, so sign will be changed, look, it is plus 9, so it becomes minus 9, it is minus, so B and B division, sign will be changed to plus. Okay, this 5 and 2 problem coming from the beginning, I am going to divide this by 6, so 6 10s are, and 6 1s are, 6 2s are, it becomes 10 by 12, and now it comes, BA comes, so if I write here 10 by 12, A minus 8, and B 14. Okay, if we simplify these two, it comes, simplified from my right, it will come 5 by 6, and this one is